Making delicious air fryer grilled cheese sandwiches has never been this easy. In this video, I'll show you how to make air fryer grilled cheese sandwiches that are fast, easy, and simple. Let's get started. First, we'll start with 2 slices of bread. Today I'm using wheat bread. You can also use white bread or Texas toast. We'll butter our bread, and I like to put plenty of butter on the bread, and I've melted some butter in the microwave, and you want to make sure you get it all the way to the edges. There we go. And we're only buttering one side of the bread, and it'll end up on the outside of the sandwich. Next, we'll need our cheese. So I'm going to place one side down, and I'm going to put 2 slices of cheese on our bread today. Next, we'll place our bread in the air fryer, butter side down, with our 2 slices of cheese. And we'll place the other slice of bread butter side up. And we're going to slide that into the air fryer. Okay, now we did not preheat our air fryer. We're going to go ahead and turn it on. We're going to set the temperature to 360 degrees for 8 minutes. Whoops. There we go. And we're going to get that turned on. And we will flip our grilled cheese sandwich at about 4 minutes. Okay, our grilled cheese has been in the air fryer for about 4 minutes. We're going to go ahead and flip it over. There we go, it's coming along. Our 8-minute timer is up. Let's take a look at our grilled cheese sandwich. That's looking really good. It turned out just the way I wanted it to. Believe me, I've experimented a lot on this one. Oh yeah, I think that top side turned out a little bit better, but that works. Looks pretty good, round on the edges. And let's go ahead and slice it open and see how it looks. Turned out really, really good. Cheese is melted. We've got a nice crunchy outside, and time to eat. Thank you for joining today. Remember to subscribe, and I'll see you soon.